Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing these, which are gloss black fog surrounds for the Mark 8 ST and the Mark 8 ST line from Paintmodz. These look really cool. They are gloss black. They also go with another thing that I fitted, which is the fog light armors from that fog light guy quite well, as they're both gloss black, so they should all blend together really nicely and they'll look super cool on the car and just nice and clean, and a little bit better than the matte black plastic surrounds that you see on the car already. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I can install these, and let's go get them fitted.
Okay guys, so first of all I'm going to remove the outer fog surround now. I'm just using a trim tool, working it in the edges where the clips are and working around the trim, pulling it and pushing it into where the clips are so that I can take the outer surround off. As you'll notice, the inner surround comes off with it, but we'll tackle that in a minute. So now we have the outer and inner surround. I'm going to remove the inner surround whilst the outer surround is off, and I can access it easily here. It just makes life a lot easier. You can turn it over, see what the clips are, and find where to wedge the trim tool removers. Once you've removed all the clips from their holders, you can take the inner fog surround out, and then you can get started on fitting your new Paintmodz replacement. It's a very simple fit, just push it into the clips, and whilst we've got the outer surround off as well, we can quite clearly see on the back that all the clips are going into place and making sure that it's sitting where it should be. Now that both of those sections are together, the next bit is to reattach the outer fog surround and the inner fog surround back to the car. It's pretty simple. I'd work one edge in first and then work your way to the other end of the fog surround, making sure all the clips are going in the right places and then pushing them into position, making sure that they are all in position and they're not going to pop out. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's really easy to install. And yeah, they look really good.
And there you have it, guys. That's how you install the Paintmodz gloss black fog surrounds for the Mark 8 Fiesta ST and the Mark 8 Fiesta ST line. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. All the links will be in the description below. Please go and check out Paintmodz. They do some great stuff. They do a lot more than this. You can check out some more videos on my channel. There'll also be a link to a Paintmodz playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.